Okay. Let's read your book. It's your book. It's your book? No. Okay, you ready? Clifford's animal sounds. Clifford is on the farm today. He listens to what the animals say. Cow says, no, the cow says what? Moo, says the cow. Moo. That's the owl. The cow says moo. The owl says moo hoo hoo. Okay, what does the cow say? No, he says moo. The bird says tweet tweet. The mouse says squeak squeak. Squeak squeak. The cow says what? You going back to the cow? Oh, wow. The cow says moo. Let's say, oh no, let's go forward, not backwards. The duck says what? Quack quack. What's the duck say? Woo. Turn up. The hen says cluck cluck. Cluck cluck. Quack quack. That's right, it's a duck. Duck. The chicks say peep peep. Peep peep. And the sheep says bah. Bah. The cow says meow. And now it's Clifford's turn. What does Clifford say? No, that's the hen. What does the dog say? Moo. No, that's the cow. Now you do the cow. What does the dog say? Hey, meow. No, the dog says woof woof. Woof. Yeah. I see. That's a cat. Moo. No, the cow says moo. The cat says meow. Meow. Yeah, that's the cat. The cow says moo. You done with your book? Woo woo. That's the dog. Woo woo. Hoo hoo. That's the owl. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. That's the bird. Whack whack. That's the duck. Woo woo. That's the owl. Turn. Bah. That's the sheep. Bah. There you go. That's the cat. Now what's the dog saying? I know it. You do know it. What's the dog saying? No, the cat says meow. What's the dog say? Okay, tell me. No, you want me to show you? Woof woof. Oh, woof. Woof woof is the dog. The end. Yay. Dog? Dog. Now what's the dog saying? Red man. No, you know what? You killing me with this dog, man.